So okay, this is from inverse trigonometric functions, and the thing to remember here is that cot inverse x equals tan inverse of 1 by x when x is greater than 0, or rather, yeah. And cot inverse of x is equals to pi plus tan inverse 1 by x when x is less than 0. So let's say x is minus 1, then tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4, and cot inverse minus 1 is 3 pi by 4. So uh, that checks, and if x goes to say 0 from the negative real numbers, then tan inverse of that will go to minus pi by 2, and cot inverse will will go to pi by 2. So this checks. So what we are now given is that tan inverse 6y by 9 minus y square plus cot inverse when now we are also given that mod y is from 0 to 3. Okay, so first let's assume, so we'll divide this into case 1 being that y is greater than 0. In that case, as we saw, cot inverse this will simply be tan inverse of this. So we get 2 tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square is equals to 2 pi by 3, which gives us the tan inverse 2 pi by 3. That in turn gives us 6y upon 9 minus y square is root 3. So y square 2 root 3 y square plus 2 root 3 y minus 9 equals to 0, y is equals to minus 2 root 3 plus or minus, but we'll take the plus as we have assumed that y is greater than 0. B square is 4 into 3 12 minus 4 into minus 9, which is 36 2, which becomes minus 2 root 3 plus root 48 is 16 4 root 3 is equals to root 3. So when y is greater than 0, y equals to root 3 is our solution. Let's say now solve for case 2, which is y less than 0. In that case, cot inverse x is pi plus tan inverse 1 by x. So we get pi plus 2 tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square is equals to, that gives us tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square minus pi by 6, giving us 6y upon 9 minus y square is minus 1 by root 3, which again is consistent with our assumption. So we'll proceed with this. We'll get which gives us y square minus 6 root 3y plus 9 equals to 0. Y equals to 6 root 3. Again we'll have choice for plus and minus, but we'll take minus this time because y is less than 0, to b square okay, b square is 108 minus 4ac minus 36 He's made some mistake. Root 3, it's correct. Where is minus 6 root 3y? Oh, here we have a minus sign. This becomes plus. So we get 6 root 3 minus root minus 12 by 2 minus 6. Y is equal to 3 root 3 minus 6. Then sum of all solutions becomes 3 root 3 minus 6 plus root 3, which is 4 root 3 minus 6. So answer is C. Because one solution is y equals to root 3 and other solution is y equals to 3 root 3 minus 6.